Hi everybody, happy Saturday morning. Today, what are we going to do? We're going to practice. You know that I never like to introduce something new that has steps to it without practicing, and Jacoby transfer is no exception. So we are going to start with that opener is open to no trump, responder is transferred, opener, being a very good partner, has accepted the transfer. Okay? So now we're looking at responder's second bid, and then we're going to look at opener's third bid. Now, remember, opener's third bid, because he opened a no trump, he accepted the transfer. So those were his first two. So now his third bid is where he takes responder's information and connects it with his and decides what to do next. Okay? I posted the hands earlier. It was my first post this morning. I don't know, probably around 10 a.m., 9 a.m., something like that. But I'm going to, of course, hold the hands up, so that'll help you out in case you didn't have a chance to look at them yet. So let's go. All right, the bidding went 1 no trump by North, 2 hearts by South, which was a transfer to spades, and North bid 2 spades because he had to. So we're looking at South's next bid. So the first thing that South is going to do is they're going to say, how many points do I have? Do I even have 8 points? Because if I don't have 8 points, I'm going to pass that 2 spade bid. But they have 9, so they are definitely going to bid. But they don't have enough for game right away, right? That would have to be at least 10. Now they're going to look at the number of spades they hold, and they only have 5. So they're going to say, okay, partner already knows I have 5 spades because I transferred. So there's no need to give him that information again. I'm going to go back to no trump and let him know that I had only 5 spades. And I'm going to bid 2 no trump to let him know that I have 8 or 9 points. And then he can decide what he wants to do. So going back to no trump tells partner only 5 cards in my major. Level shows strength. So by only bidding 2 no trump, we show 8 or 9. How'd y'all do on that one? Good? Remember, if I'm talking too fast, you're not following quickly enough, you can always pause the video after I say something and think about it for a minute and then go back. All right, so that same hand, what is the opener going to do? That's North. He opened a no trump. His partner bid 2 hearts. He bid 2 spades because he's a good partner. South bid 2 no trump, saying I only have 5 spades and I have 8 or 9 points. So the first thing North does is say he has 5 spades, I have 3. So we have 8 spades between our 2 hands. We're going to play in spades. And now he's going to add the points. And he says, well, I have 14, 15, 17, and partner has 8 or 9. So we should be in game. We're going to play spades. We should be in game 4 spades. Easy, right? Remember what I was talking about yesterday? Break it into 2 pieces. Should we be in game or not? Sometimes partner makes that decision for you. And should we be in a major or no trump? And then put those 2 answers together, and you've got your Jacoby transfer. Okay, you got the gist of this? Now on the next one, which if you did pull off your sheet, is board number 3. Okay, so on this one, South opened a no trump, right? North bid 2 hearts, which was a transfer to spades. South bid 2 spades because he had to. Right? And now North has to come up with a second bid. So how many points does he have? I think he has 9 again, right? So what would his bid be? 2 no trump. Partner, I only have 5 spades. I have 8 or 9 points. So the fact that he goes back to no trump says I only have 5 spades. And the level shows the strength of his hand, 8 or 9 points. Okay, so now, what does South bid after that? After the 2 no trump bid. South only has 15 points, doesn't he? I think that's a Jack of Hearts. Yep, 15. And his partner bid 2 no trump, showing 8 or 9. And 5 spades. So first thing he looks for is, how many spades do we have? Partner has 5, I have 3. So we definitely want to play with spades as trumps. And now he's going to add the points. I have 15, partner has 9, 15 and 9. At the most he can have is 9. Is 24, is that enough for game? No, it's not enough for game. So he'll say 3 spades. Responder, I want to play with spades as trumps, but I only have 8 or 9 points. Excuse me. I want to play with spades as trumps, but since you have 8 or 9 points, I don't want to be in game. Okay? Now, I just noticed that I erased too many bids on this practice hand, so I'm sorry I did that to you guys. But what would happen is North would bid 2 no trump, as we said, and then when it came back around to South, and he adds the points together, he works out we don't have enough for game. So he's going to go back to spades at 3 spades, but he won't bid game. He'll only bid 3 because they don't have enough points for game. Sorry about that, y'all. Didn't mean to not put that last bid in there for you. But I hope you enjoyed this little thing about Jacoby transfers. Tomorrow, I'm going to break from tradition a little bit. Somebody sent me an email and said, would you please do a little video about never underlead an ace? We don't understand that. And a lot of people don't. I get that question a lot. So tomorrow we're going to do something about an opening lead. We're going to talk about what does that mean and why shouldn't you do it. I hope y'all have a good weekend. I hope you have a good Saturday. It's nice and sunny here in Atlanta. A little cool, but my husband loves it that way because it doesn't get so hot outside. Gonna do your little yard work and a little house cleaning. I'll see you tomorrow.